What's up, guys? Today I'm at the field alone with my dog, Loki. Say hi, Loki. Yeah, so I just wanted to make one because I was bored. I don't have anything to do right now. So I gotta put the camera down real quick. I gotta put my gloves on. It's cold outside. And okay, got it. Okay, so guys, yeah, I have a bad hair day today. That's why I'm wearing my bad hair day hat. Here's Loki's ball. Do you want to go get it, Loki? Loki, ready? Ready, Loki? Go get it. So this is at the fields at the high school. The high school's way over there. So today is a Sunday, so there's nobody here playing. So, good boy, drop it, stay. Good boy, ready? Go get it. So yeah, he's doing pretty good. No, Loki, come. Come. You have to bring the ball with you. He's kind of a dumb dog, but I mean, yeah. So, gotta pick up his ball. Ready? Ready, Loki? Go, Kirby. Are you ready? I gotta take my gloves off. It's not cold outside, actually. I don't know why I brought gloves. I thought it would be cold, but it's not. Ready? Cookie. Look at that puppy. Come on. Good boy. Are you gonna sit? Sit. Loki, sit. Lay down. Or not. So photogenic. You look good on the camera, Loki. Yeah, you do. So my brother right now is playing Fortnite. He didn't want to come with me. So it's just me and my doggy. And my doggers. And my doggers. Dude, my doggers. Yeah, I love you. Ready? Ready, Loki? Cookie. Come on, bring it back. Or not. Okay. Probably find it. Place it. Poop or pee. What you sniffing at, huh? Are you eating grass? Loki. You know you can't eat grass because you'll throw it all up. So, what do you want to do? Do you want to go home? I don't really want to go home. I like it. I like it up here. Did me and my bubbles. Did me and my bubbles. Loki. Ready? I threw it, but I didn't. I threw it though. This isn't actually his ball. It was just a random ball that I found in the yard. So, yeah. Gotta get the ball because Loki dropped it right away and he didn't even bring it back. Now we gotta go back. Come on, Loki. Excuse me. You coming? You're my little shadow. My hands are getting cold. I gotta put my gloves on quick. Real quick. 1 second, guys. Loki, no. No. 1 second. Come. Loki, come. Okay. So, me and him are at the field. At the football field. He loves it. Don't you, buddy? Yeah. He's not a very responsive dog. Loki. You want the ball? You want the ball? Go fetch. Go fetch. Bring it back now. Or just drop it, whatever. Whatever. Oh yeah, did I do the intro the right way? Did I? So, I'll do it now. What's up, guys? It's Hussy Pussy Kinsley. There. Did it. And Hussy Pussy. And Hussy Pussy Loki. So that's what we're doing today. Loki, what do you want to do? They're doing construction over there. Look. It's really annoying, but yeah. Well, that zoomed in. Gotta zoom it out. So, I think I might bring Loki home. You wanna go home, Loki? Wanna go home? Let's go home. Gotta put the ball in my pocket. 1 second, phone. Stay down. Stupid. Can't fit anything in these pockets. Okay, Loki, let's go home. Alrighty, get my gloves on. Okay. Come on, Loki. Let's go home. Come on. Let's go, bud. Loki. Okay, I'll have to grab my leash myself. Oh, he wanted to find a rolling spot. He just rolled over. Come on. Loki, come on. Let's go. No, not that way. This way. Come on. Heel. You don't know heel. Look. Watch. Heel. Okay, now I got your collar. Ha, trapped now. Heel. Good. Heel. Yep. This way. Gotta get your leash. Come on. And gotta put the phone down. Gotta put the leash on Loki. On Loki Bear. Okay. That's the construction. It's really annoying. Come on, Loki Bear. So, just walking my dog. Come on, Loki. So I'm gonna go home. Maybe my family is rearranging my sister's room. Oh yeah, and my sister didn't want to go either because she's helping with rearranging the room. I think Greta's like 5. Yeah. My sister's name is Greta. My other sister's name is Georgia, and she's 2. Stop, Loki! Oh my gosh, this dog pulls so much. Stop! Come! Good boy. I love you, but you pull too much. What the heck is wrong with this leash? There. Stupid. Okay, come on. So, there he is. So, Loki, come. Switch hands quick. There. Now, we go home. Loki, no. That is not a sniffing spot. That is a gate. You walk through it. Yes, good boy. Park is about right across from the street, so my house is right here. So, alrighty then. Let us go. That was a car. Come on, Loki. Okay, I have the ball. Good. Okay. Gotta open up the gate. Let Loki go in the gate. Gotta close the gate. Okay. And let Loki itch. And then I take this off. Hurry, come on, Loki, let's go. Come on. Come along. Do you want to play now? Now you want to play. You didn't want to play at the field. Now you do? I was there for like an hour, so time to go home now. Okay, come on, Loki. Go inside. Good boy. Okay. I don't actually have bad hair day today, but he's the only. Now he wants a treat. I already gave you a bully stick. Let's go find your bully stick. Come on. Come here. And guys, I have to show you this. Stay. Look at this bandana. Naughty. Nice. Ugh. Nice. It's so cute. It's for Loki. Our aunt's coming over to do Christmas pictures. Do you want the ball? You want a ball? Cookie. Our aunt is coming over to do Christmas pictures, I think. So it'll be perfect for them. Because, of course, the dog has to be in the Christmas pictures. Of course he does. Of course you do, don't you? Just look at that face. He's so photogenic. Yeah. Come on. Come inside. So, I may go up to my room, and then I might wrap up the video. Let's go see what family's doing. Otis, and his enemy, the dog.
Kinsley, come look at my new playroom.
Okay. Filming a YouTube video right now. Greta wants me to look at your new playroom. Let me see. Oh my goodness! Look at this. It's a little messy. No, I'm making a YouTube video. Say hi.
Hi.
Don't do that. Okay, so this is a new place. I like it. Junior, say hi to the video.
Where's Daddy?
Making a YouTube video. Say hi.
No.
And then this is your. Oh,
Where's
so
Daddy?
pretty.
Right there. Daddy, I can't get into Battlefront. And I inserted the disc.
I love it, Greta. So nice. Is this her dresser?
That's
Georgia's?
Georgia's.
Where's Greta's? Oh, in her closet. Got it. Nice. Okay, I'll be in my room because I'm filming a YouTube video.
Can you take some of that stuff upstairs that's in here?
Yeah. What do you mean, stuff? 1 second, guys.
Inside on the bottom of your stairs.
Daddy, I put this
I heard you, Junior. I'm a little busy.
Whoa. I'll do that after the video. Let us go upstairs. Stairs are really old. And my room is under construction. Yeah. So, okay. I'm gonna wrap up this video. Again, this is Hossy Posse Kinsley, and I'll see you all guys next weekend. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.